excited to see you today. What do you think we're going to draw? I'll give you a little hint. Well, recently, we've been talking a little bit about spring and also Mother's Day. These two things are very special, so I thought today we could draw a mother bird with her baby. Do you think that would be fun? Me too. Are you ready to do it? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is what we need to draw our mother bird and our baby bird. I have a few sheets of paper, so make sure that you put 1 or 2 pieces underneath your paper just to protect your table. I have colorful markers, and I have a black marker to do my drawing. If you want, you can use pencil, you can use whatever you want to do your drawing, because don't forget, it's your drawing. You can do whatever you like. Okay, so we're gonna start over here in the bottom corner. Now, our baby bird and our mummy bird are going to be on a branch. So we're gonna put the baby bird about here. So we're gonna start with a circle for the baby bird's head. And then we're gonna do his body. Okay, so we're looking for a shape just kind of like that. Okay, and next I'm gonna make this come out and join up there, just like so. Okay, and our baby bird is going to be looking up in the air because the mother bird is going to be feeding it. So we're going to have its mouth open, just like that. Okay, the next thing that I want to do is a beautiful tail on our bird. We're just going to do these shapes, and I'm going to do a bunch of them. They're coming out. Just like so. Okay, there's our baby bird's cute little tail. And these are going to be the wings. So I'm just going to do a couple of lines like that. And a great big eye. Our bird is so excited to get some food from its mom. Look how cute that is. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw the mother, and we're going to do that before we draw the log, and I'll show you why after. So the mom is feeding the baby, and the mom is a lot bigger than the baby, so the mom's head needs to go closer to the top of your page. So we're going to do another circle like that, and another bird. Okay, and she's going to have a wiggly worm in her mouth. That's so cute. Okay. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is the same shape for the mother bird's body as we did for the baby bird. And her body is going to be going this way. So, like this. And she has belly too, just like that. Okay, and then we're going to do her tail feathers. Just like so. And layer a bunch in there. Beautiful. Okay, so we're missing her eye, and we're gonna do another big eye for the mom, just like the baby. The mom has great big eyes, and she's so happy to be feeding her little baby. Just like so. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to draw our branch. Okay, so I'm going to make the branch start kind of behind the baby. Come out like this and come up like so. You can make the branch whatever shape you like. Okay, and we need to make sure it's nice and thick. So we're standing on it, so I'm going to make it come like this. There we go. Awesome. Okay, so the next thing that we need is our legs and our feet. There we go. And the babies. Just like that, they're so cute. Okay, all right, the next thing that we need is we need some leaves because it's springtime, so the tree is just starting to have little leaves on it. So we're gonna do kind of the same shape as the tail feathers for the leaves, and you can put as many leaves as you like. Sure we can do a bunch of different sizes, some little ones and some bigger ones. More. Okay, our tree is looking really cool. All right. So what do you think that we need to do next? Of course, we need to color in our picture. So I want to make my birds blue. So I have two different colors of blue, but again, you can do whatever color you like. So I'm going to color now. Did you have fun drawing our mom and our baby bird today? I had a lot of fun too. If you did your drawing and you want to send it to me, I might put it in one of my drawing videos. Won't that be cool? Okay, you can check the description below and you can send it to the email address that's there. If you have a little bit of trouble, you can always ask an adult for help. Okay, I hope to see your drawings and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.